So this presentation is directed toward Android users, students who have Android phones, and it's about how to upload audio to Manaba using your Android phone. Now, Android phones, as you know, are any phones that are not iPhones. So anything like Samsung, Sony, Google Pixel, Huawei, if that's how you say that, Sharp or whatever, any phones like that would be using the Android operating system. So that's what we're talking about. So I'm using an Xperia here by Sony. It's pretty old, and it might not be exactly the same as yours, but it should be very similar. First, you need an audio recording app, something that will record your voice. If you have a Samsung, you already have one, I believe, and it looks like that, and you could just use that app. But if you don't have an audio recording app on your phone, then you need to download one from the Play Store. The Play Store icon is on your phone somewhere. It's where you get games or apps or anything like that. So you want to click the Play Store, and you go into the apps section, or you could just do a search at the top, something like voice recorder, VOICE space RECORDER. Do a search for the voice recorder. And if you want, you can pause this video right now, if you're watching on a computer, and do this. Anyway, you can always just watch this again and again if you need to. So once you do a search for voice recorder, you can see various ones there. I like this red one here, so I'd click install, and then you'd eventually have that icon on your phone. So again, if you're using a Samsung, you don't have to do this. You just use the app that you have. But if you don't and you wanted to record, if you wanted to download this voice recorder, you can use that. So to record, you click it, and you'll see an interface like this. I've got this voice recording app right there. I'm going to push the button, boom, and then open it, and then push the button again. Testing 1, 2, 3, and then turn it off, right? And so now it says insert new file name. This is the first screen you'll get. So what you want to do is you want to write a name for your file, and you can write different names for different assignments, something that will allow you to easily see what the file is. Some teachers might ask you to write your own name as part of the file name, but either way you need to write something there. So I'm just going to call this one Introduction MP3 because it's an MP3 file. And then once you do that, you'll see that little slider, and it goes down to the bottom here. You see this little icon on the left with the headphones. You want to click that one, right? And once you click that, you'll see your file now in a list of files that you have created. I have only made one file, so this is the one that I see. And it shows you the time and the day that you made it and how long it is. Mine is only 0.2 seconds. And the size is 40.4 kilobytes. You want your files to be pretty small. What you'll do then is you'll see those 3 dots on the right side. You click those, and then you have various options here. You can listen to it. You can change the name again if you want. You can delete it if you don't like it, or you can share it. And what we're going to do is we're going to share it. We're going to save to Google Drive, and then we're going to upload to Manaba from Google Drive. So from now, I will show you how to do that. So going back to this screen here, you see the share button there down at the bottom, share. You click that, and it'll ask you where you want to share it to. So you want to save it to your drive, right? And then you'll get this prompt. And if you have more than one Google Drive account, you want to make sure you save it to that account that you're going to be drawing it from. So you see the document title is Introduction, and the account that I'm using is japanphilip@gmail. So then you save that, and then you'll see a little dot here where your drive is now containing that file. So from now that you've saved it into your drive, you can go to Manaba. into your course, and you log into Manaba, and you log into the portal, log into Manaba, and you'll see in your courses, at the bottom you'll see this prompt that says add a file. So you click that, and that on your phone will take you to your file manager, which you'll click, and you'll get a screen like this. And up at the top, you want to click those 3 lines at the top, and this will give you. I'll show you the rest of your phone, and you see down there where it says Drive, right? That's what you want to click to then choose a file from your Drive folder to upload into Manaba. And you see your introduction there. That's what you want to click to send it to Manaba. And voila, there it is, Introduction MP3. You have sent it. But you're not finished. What you have to do is hit that Submit button. Because until you hit that, the assignment has not yet been submitted. So your teacher cannot see it until you hit Submit. So you click that Submit button, and then you've uploaded your file and you're finished. So this should work for anyone who has an Android operating system. And if it doesn't work for some reason, then please email your teacher and ask your teacher or explain your situation, and your teacher will be happy to give you any answers. Thanks for watching. You can watch this as many times as you need, and hopefully it will help you. Good luck, and stay safe.